Hi, I'm Guy, and I'm talking about time shift alternatives for Windows 11. Now, time shift, if you've used Linux, you know that that's the software that will take and make a backup copy of what's going on. Okay? So if there's an alternative to that for Windows, it's not time shift. You got to use something else. And I've got a list. If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, there's a Google document in there listed as the time shift alternatives for Windows 11. And that's got the links to the collection of alternatives that you can use right there handy for you to just click and go. And there's stuff like Acronis Cyber Protect Home. It used to be called True Image. And Eases to Do Backup. It's a free backup software that's available for Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. I don't know what Windows 7 is, but somebody must have it someplace on the planet. There's one called Paragon Backup, and the other one is Macrium, and that's my best guess at the pronunciation of their spelling of their name. Like I said, go and get the document. It's in the Google documents that I've got on the guyrcookreport.podbean.com. I've got them, so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.